Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Petco Affiliate Links Manager for US Commissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Petco Affiliate Links Manager for US Commissions, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Petco Affiliate Program website. Look for the Sign In or Join button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account, click on the Join button to create one. Fill in the required information on the registration form. Be sure to read the terms and conditions before submitting your application. After registration, log into your account using your new credentials. Once logged in, locate the Affiliate Tools or Resources section on your dashboard. In this section, search for the Affiliate Links Manager option. Click on the link to access the download page. Review any provided information about the Affiliate Links Manager to understand its features. Click the Download button to begin the download process. If prompted, choose a destination on your computer for the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Petco Affiliate Links Manager. Once the installation is complete, launch the application from your desktop or Applications folder. Log in using your Petco affiliate account credentials. Now you can start managing your affiliate links for US commissions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.